An Air India flight departed from the capital at 7:40 a.m. Tuesday to bring back Indian nationals from Kiev in crisis-affected Ukraine. The Air India Dreamliner is numbered 1947, incidentally, and is the first of the 3 special flights that will be operated this week to repatriate Indian citizens. AI 1947 would reach Kiev in under 8 hours as it avoids Afghanistan airspace, which remains out of bounds for non-defense aircraft after Taliban takeover. Fly AI. Air India will operate 3 flights between India, Ukraine, Boryspil International Airport, India on 22nd, 24th and 26th February 2022. Booking open through Air India booking offices, website, call center and authorized travel agents. The Tata Group-run airline said in a tweet on Friday. The Indian Embassy in Ukraine has already asked its citizens, particularly students whose stay is not essential, to leave Kiev temporarily amid growing fears over Russia's invasion. India had last week removed the cap on the number of flights operating under the air bubble arrangement to Ukraine in order to bring back maximum nationals home. Meanwhile, the Indian Embassy in Ukraine has issued its latest advisory for students in the country, asking them to leave in the interest of their safety rather than wait for an official confirmation from their respective universities. The statement says, Embassy of India is receiving a large number of calls asking about the confirmation of online classes by medical universities. The embassy is engaged with respective authorities for streamlining of education process for Indian students. Students are advised in the interest of their safety to leave Ukraine temporarily.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.